Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl from the Healthy Lifestyle team. We're going to be doing some really easy tea time meals. So when the children have finished school, something really tasty and nutritious but that's not too time consuming. So today we're going to make a special egg and chips. It's going to be a tray bake egg and chips, and you'll probably never want egg and chips any other way. So what I've done, I've diced some potatoes, and remember our potatoes, the portion is the size of our fist, so that's probably about my size. I've got a child size and then someone who's a little bit bigger than me. So that's your portion size. So I'm just doing a portion for 2 people today, but if you're doing 4, just remember the size of your portions. So what I've got in here is the diced potatoes, some sprinkle of olive oil, some parsley. This is 39p, really cheap, and it just makes your food look so much nicer. I've done some black pepper on it, some chopped onion, some tomatoes and mushrooms. So that's what I've got there. So I've cooked that for about 45 minutes until the potatoes are soft and the soft and crispy. After 10 minutes towards the end, I put the mushrooms and tomatoes in, and just to cook them off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a little well for my eggs. So as I said, today I'm doing a portion for 2, so I'm just going to put my egg in that little bit, and then on this side I'm going to make another little round for the other egg. And then all we do is pop that back into the oven for 3 to 4 minutes, however you like your eggs. So I'll see you soon. So this has been in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. You just cook it for as long as you like your eggs. So I'll just show you how soft and nice those eggs are. So that's our finished product. So to serve that, I've done some more tomatoes, some more mushrooms and some baked beans, and that'll be another one of your 5 a day with your baked beans, and you've got your extra tomatoes and mushrooms. So hope you enjoy this egg and chips tray bake, and I'll see you next time for some more tea time ideas. Bye.